Hi, welcome to our channel, Beauty in a Minute. It's me, Suzuki again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite retinol products, and that is by Paula's Choice. It's her 1% retinol treatment with peptide and vitamin C. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to our channel. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, and all my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. She's getting tired and sleepy. Um, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. Another retinol product. Those of you who have been following me, I started using or trying out Paula's Choice products about 4 months ago. And the first product was the 25% AHA and 2% BHA exfoliating serum. I'll put a link to all the Paula's Choice videos that I have done, so you can go back. 4 months ago when I started trialing out some Paula's Choice products, I've been really impressed with this brand. Number one, it's just so reasonably priced. For a clinical skincare company, the products are just so reasonably priced. They're not overpriced. They're really a lot more affordable compared to other cosmeceutical clinical skincare brands out there. And secondly, the products do work. They really do work. I really like Paula's Choice C15 Vitamin C Booster Serum. Really like her exfoliating serum, the 25% AHA serum. And so today I want to share one of her retinol products. Every skincare company or proper clinical skincare company will have a vitamin A, vitamin C, and a vitamin B product, and some other chemical exfoliating products. That is pretty much the gold standard. That's pretty much the range, if they know what they're talking about. Paula's Choice 1% retinol treatment. And this one has got peptides, vitamin C, and licorice root. I'm just going to pump a little bit to show you what it's like. So this is what it looks like. So I'm not going to waste a lot for the video. So it's serum-y and cream-like. 30 mils for 62 Australian dollars. You can purchase this from the Paula's Choice website. They're in Australia. This one is quite strong for my skin. So I don't squeeze this onto my hand and directly put this completely on my face, because the first time I did it, my skin got really dry the next day and started to have little pink patches. That means it's reacting. So what I do with this product is, and it's highly recommended if people are sensitive to retinol, is to mix a pea-sized amount with your moisturizer, with your evening moisturizer, a pea-sized amount, and then perhaps double pea-sized amount. Just double your moisturizer. For me, my ratio is 1 to 2. So a pea size of retinol and a 2 pea size of moisturizer on the palm of my hand, and I just mix them really well, then put it all over my face. And I find in that case my skin can tolerate retinol a lot better. And so this product is pretty strong. The fact that my skin really reacts to it, really dry up and starting to have red patches, goes to show that it has genuine retinol products in here. And I've been using this for 4 or 5 weeks now. And because I'm only using such a small amount, really a tiny amount, and mixing with my moisturizer, it's lasting a while. And I am starting to see such a rejuvenation to my skin. I mean, retinol or vitamin A is proven to reduce fine line and wrinkles because it encourages collagen production. It starts to give my skin that youthfulness and plumpness, and really stops aging. It really is an anti-aging ingredient. It just stops the aging, reduces the aging, just puts some brakes on the aging process. It starts to clear up some of my pigmentation. Now my pigmentation looks more like freckles. rather than patches of dark spots. So if you can incorporate a retinol, for me, it's my smile lines, my 11s, and my crow's feet. I just see a reduction in that. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you are getting a bit more information. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.